Hello.
Good morning.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. I turned 55 today.
You did.
Yay! And I'm celebrating in the Maldives.
Yep.
Day 5. Today is day 5 of our around the world trip. And we're still in the Maldives.
Yep.
It's beautiful here again today.
Going to breakfast.
Yay! Then we're gonna go shopping.
Yep. And get some presents.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, sweetie. I got French toast today. What'd you get?
I got a waffle with chocolate, Nutella, whipped cream, and then some potatoes with baked beans.
I have an omelet coming, but look, we've got a front row seat today. And they're feeding the fishies. How beautiful. It's my birthday, so I got a crepe. A birthday crepe. At the beach. At the ocean, the Indian Ocean. This bag for my birthday. I like it. With all the fishies on it. This is my birthday shirt I'm getting. Yay! I spent $70.79 on my birthday. In here. I love my bag. It's so pretty. And it zips. Awesome. And my new shirt. So today is day 5. And this is our menu today for happy hour. The cocktail of the day. We're trying that. You said it was rum and pineapple?
Yeah, that's what you It says rum, pineapple juice, coconut milk with pandan syrup.
Yay!
Rum drink.
Rum drink.
It's a rum.
Stretched out on the couch here. Yay! Right at the ocean. The Indian Ocean. For our happy hour.
Yep.
Happy hour drinks. We're gonna play Connect 4. Okay. Who do you think's gonna win?
Okay.
I'm ready. You're blue. You wanna go first?
Okay. You go. Good. Move.
So fancy. Yeah, I love it. My clue at home, my parents was like, just like the old class. Yeah, like, I had Simpsons clue. So it's really fun.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, that was
I bet
so
it's
much
only
fun.
Sideshow Bob, isn't it?
Huh? Always.
Always
It's always going to be Sideshow Bob. Yeah. Like, oh, I get it. And it was really cool because then you had like, you know, power plant, you had like the different, like, the restaurant, the, like, all these different places.
Oh, wait.
That's not a big one.
I feel bad you played it, man.
There's the red one.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Might be. I'm not sure, sweetie.
So I'm gonna shut this. That's great. That's great. Is it? Oh, I guess it's
Go.
pick one of each. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's. Unfortunately, your hand might have.
I'm gonna win.
You just need like one each for these ones? Yeah.
I'm gonna win. You do what you do it, I'm gonna win.
Oh, yeah, sorry. That's
I'm gonna go 4 here, I'm gonna go 4 here.
Good. There, you can hold it there.
Yep.
Here.
Yeah.
Wait, I guess. You win.
I win!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
So,
I won on my birthday. Going to the pool. That's where we had dinner last night. Oh, you can go swing on that thing today.
From water right now.
Ah. Look, these are free today. You can sit out here, right on the water, and watch the sunset tonight.
Taking a video?
The sun will set soon, and we'll watch it from here. There we are, enjoying the beautiful pool.
There's the sunset.
Close to sunset. The main pool. It's bigger than our private pool.
Yeah, it is pretty cool. I didn't record it yet. I'm recording it. Huh?
We're gonna move down to the sofa. I don't know how to get down there. I have to go over here. Hi.
Nice to see you again. The most romantic table is empty.
Ah, right on the edge.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
This is the best table here.
It looks lovely. Oh,
Big shots.
Oh, really?
wow.
Yeah,
Shorts.
they are coming. Come to see. They are visiting to us now.
Oh, wow.
Later, you can see more
That's
than
a big one.
20 to 30 of them.
Really?
Cool. Very nice.
It's a beautiful night.
Lovely night.
We'll see all the sharks later. Have our deep fried cheese. It's a deep fried cheese. And some bread. Balsamic and olive oil. Nice. Bruschetta and our roasted chicken. It's like asparagus with it.
Oh, wow, yeah. Carrots, asparagus.
Good. Nice. A really big one. It's fast. Look how big that one is, Tim. It must be 8 feet long. You see it? No, it's like 8 feet long. It's huge.
One tiramisu. This is our signature one here. The
Ah.
best dessert on the whole island.
Thank you.
so much.
Thank you.
There
Tiramisu.
you go, honey.
My birthday cake.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
That's a lot, yeah.
Another cake.
Yes.
Whoa.
This is the real birthday cake.
This is the real.
I see that.
Our surprise dessert.
That was awesome dessert. Thank you. Thank you. It's too windy, but it's perfect.
That's right.
It is quite windy, isn't it? There you go. There you go, honey. Okay. Blow it out. There you go. There you go.
One more.
One more?
More.
Goes and come singer. Very famous singer.
Oh.
1, 2, 3.
Wait. Yes.
1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Miss Annie.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
You're the best, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Wow, 2 desserts.
Hello, Cindy. Happy birthday.
Thank you. It's our wrap up of day 5, traveling on points around the world.
Mm-hmm.
Today was a great day.
Good day.
It was a really good day.
Really good.
I got a crepe for my birthday breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
That was really nice.
Mm-hmm.
We went swimming I saw the sunset
Mm-hmm.
at the pool, and we had our little happy hour.
Mm-hmm.
We got our snorkeling equipment for tomorrow,
Mhm.
so we can do that tomorrow. And we had a wonderful dinner.
Nice dinner, and then they gave us tiramisu as a cake, and then they also gave us a cake.
Yeah,
As
a
a
birthday cake, and they sang to me.
Mm-hmm.
That was really nice. That was
It was
really
great.
nice.
Yeah.
And the birthday cake they're bringing back to the room because it was just too much food.
Yeah, we had the tiramisu first, and then we were full from the desserts.
A lot of food. So we spent $200 on the room.
Mm-hmm.
And how much did we spend other than that?
I guess we spent $84 on meals.
$84. So we shared the chicken dinner, and they did bring us out some bread, and we had
Mm-hmm.
2 Cokes to drink, one for each of us, because it was actually less expensive to get the Coke than the still water.
Mm-hmm.
So instead of 15 for the still water bottle, we got Coca-Cola,
Mm-hmm.
2 of those.
So it's good.
So $84.
Yep.
So if we take that out of the 123 we had left, we have a total of $49 left on our credit for our Aspire card, I think is what it is, just
Yeah.
whatever card you have.
7 more. How many days we got?
3 more nights.
3 more nights. Okay.
So we're definitely gonna
We'll just stretch it out.
that $49 isn't gonna stretch out. It will probably be gone tomorrow. Oh, and I went shopping today.
Yes, you did. We got her some presents.
That's right.
for
So we
her
spent
birthday.
$77 buying a bag and a t-shirt for me.
Yes.
That's super exciting. So all in all, today was a perfect birthday.
Yeah.
Wish my children could have been with me, but other than that, it would have been perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So that's day 5. Tomorrow's day 6,
Okay.
and we're gonna go snorkeling
Yep.
in the Maldives.
Breakfast, snorkeling, happy hour, mimosas for breakfast. Yep, we'll be all set.
Can't complain.
Maybe some naps in there.
Maybe some naps. We do need our naps. We get tired.
Mm-hmm.
Now that I am 55.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Thanks for
talk to you
watching.
later.